Doing math with the young kids is a struggle when you're homeschooling them, because for one, I just felt like I didn't have a very good background in math.
I felt like I wasn't that confident with math.
It didn't leave her feeling very confident in her abilities in math, or even more, her ability to teach math.
The thing that probably put our family over the edge was when my 13-year-old, he was 13 at the time, finally came to me in tears and just said, "I hate this."
The kids were frustrated. You know, we'd have them work on Saxon and then go do all these exercises and come back frustrated. Mom was frustrated. And the experience I have now of math is actually everything's positive now about math. It's a beautiful thing. And at the end of the day, I think the children being excited about math and mom being excited about math really just helps, grease the skids for the whole experience.
And what was fun is as I would watch as she'd come over and tutor, and I would just sit there and watch as she taught me how to ask questions. And too often I would jump in and try to explain to Jay how to do something, or I try to teach him, well, this is how you do multiplication, this is what it is. And as I watched Emily come in, she'd say, step back and just learn how to ask questions.
They never told answers. They didn't make us restate things and try to memorize them. They had us figure them out so that they stuck a lot better. I figured out all the principles myself, so I could totally remember them, and it was easier to understand everything.
And they really get to understand the principles at a very deep level. And the great thing is that we get the benefits that rote memorizations create, but we also get a much deeper experience. The children understand how to discover things, and really that skill applies in a whole bunch of different areas outside of just math.
Math, I get to learn stuff and sometimes play games where there is math, like roll the dice and add up to 10.
And then we started doing some other stuff, and it was just so fun. We did so many awesome, fun games and awesome things that really helped me understand a lot of things really well. And
the most fun thing I do in math is this number grids and homework.
I think the biggest benefit is it's created confidence again in the idea of math. Obviously we have children who we're trying to prepare them for nailing on the ACT and the SAT. And the idea of trying to own math without Emily and Joe's system was kind of making the whole system fall apart, to be honest.
Math is all around us, and it helps us understand the world, it helps us think about the world, it helps us think of new things, helps us understand numbers and statistics and people. And so making math bigger than just a textbook, I think that's the biggest transformation.